Hey Rossi babes! In today's video, we'll be showing you 2 ways to easily remove your Rossi GLAM powder manicure using only a few products that you probably already have laying around your house. Begin the removal process by filing the nail surface with a coarse 150 grit hand file. The goal here is to remove the entire top layer of your mani. Pour some water into a larger bowl. Make sure you test it before placing your hands in, as the water should be warm but not hot. Place a paper towel in the bag and add just enough acetone to soak up in the paper towel. Place the bag in water and put your hands inside for 5 to 10 minutes. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, this method works great with a smaller bowl as well. Inside the larger bowl, I place the smaller bowl. Put a paper towel at the bottom of the smaller bowl and add some acetone. Optionally, add a few drops of Rossi Nourished Cuticle oil or any other essential oil you have so your skin won't be too dried from the acetone. Put your hands inside the bowl and rub your fingernails against the soaked paper towel from time to time. The heat of the water will react with the acetone and speed up the removal process. Check on the nails from time to time to see if the product has dissolved. If your water cools too much, just reheat it and continue. After 5 to 10 minutes, the entire material should be removed. Lightly buff the nails to smooth them out. Then go over with 1,000 grit side and follow up with 4,000 grit side if you want to achieve a beautiful shine. Finish by applying Nourished Cuticle oil. We recommend you use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe.